In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize chart of accounts in QuickBooks. Let's start by opening QuickBooks and signing into your company. From the main dashboard, head to your chart of accounts. You can usually find it from the left navigation under Accounting or Bookkeeping. If you see a highlighted prompt or shortcut on your dashboard that points to your accounts, click that to get there quickly. The chart of accounts is the backbone of your financial reporting, so it's worth taking a moment to be intentional here. Once you're on the chart of accounts page, select New to create a new account. This is how you shape the structure to match the way your business actually operates. Begin by entering the account name. Make it clear and consistent so you'll recognize it later in reports and when coding transactions. A good convention is category, specific use, like travel, airfare, or revenue, online sales. Avoid duplicates or names that are too vague. Next, choose the account type. This determines where the account appears on financial statements: assets, liabilities, equity, income, or expenses. Pick the type that reflects the true nature of what you're tracking. For example, anything you own or control typically lives under assets, and routine business costs belong under expenses. Getting this right ensures your balance sheet and profit and loss are accurate. Then select the detail type. Think of this as the subcategory that fine-tunes how QuickBooks treats the account. Read the brief descriptions QuickBooks provides and choose the closest match. Even if multiple options seem similar, pick the one that best describes the activity so your reports stay meaningful. If you want to organize further, turn on Make this a sub-account. Sub-accounts roll up into a parent account, giving you a clean summary with the ability to drill down. For example, you might have utilities as a parent with sub-accounts for electric, water, and internet. After checking the sub-account box, choose the parent account from the list. Make sure the parent and sub-account share a logical account type to keep your reporting tidy. Add a description if you need extra context for your team, things like what transactions belong here or how to use the account. Clear descriptions help prevent miscoding later. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll see the new account appear in your chart of accounts list immediately. From here, you can start assigning transactions to it, and it will flow into your reports just the way you designed. That's it. Your chart of accounts is now customized to better reflect your business.